Life. We all try to live it the best way we can. We get up every morning to make a living, which in most cases isn't the life we've always dreamed of. Working 40 hours a week for 40 years and hoping to retire someday just doesn't work anymore. We're forced to do it anyway because we gotta make a living and take care of our family and financial responsibilities. Plus, that's what we've been taught to do by society, so most just follow that plan. But you're not like everyone else, are you? You're different. You've always wanted more out of life than just settling for what most people get. You want to live life to the fullest with no boundaries. You want to see the world and have a bank account to support your dreams. Basically, you want to be free. But how do you get there? Fate has directed you to this page, which is going to show you how to finally live your dreams. Discover how you can enhance your lifestyle just from using your laptop or mobile phone. You'll learn about one of the fastest growing companies on the planet that is providing a real solution for people to experience total freedom. It's called iBoomerang. This concept is so different from anything else you've ever seen online, a total game changer. I'm sure you've been searching for a way to earn some serious part-time or even full-time income. Well, this is it. No special skills are required because we have all the tools you'll need for success, plus a state-of-the-art interactive presentation that explains everything for you. All we do is direct people to all the tools we have in place, and boom, we make money when our customers save money. When you watch the video below and experience that interactive presentation, you'll see exactly what I mean. Everyone gets so excited when they see all the details. Why? Because you don't have to sell anything and it's something that everyone can do. I know it sounds weird, but it's true. Finally a business made for you. All you gotta do is say yes. It's like money in the bank. Have you ever dreamed of flying first class every time you got on a plane? How about earning 6 or even 7 figures a year? Can you see yourself taking multiple vacations per year? What about just living a life on your own terms? There's so much more for you to see, so take a look at all the info below on this page to get all the details. Watch all the videos, read all the info, check out that interactive presentation, and get started ASAP. You're gonna be so grateful you saw this info. I'm sure you'll thank the person that sent you to this website. Be sure to reach out to them after you get started. So enjoy the info below, and we look forward to helping you live a global lifestyle with iBoomerang.